In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Robinhood password and recover your account. Let's start at the beginning. Open the official Robinhood app or go to the legitimate website and head to the login page. Make sure you're on the real platform, not a lookalike. If you're using a browser, type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark to avoid phishing pages. On the login screen, select the option that says Forgot email or password. This is the secure built-in path for account recovery. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your account. Use the email you originally registered with. If you have more than one, try the one that typically receives Robinhood notifications. After you submit your email, check your inbox for a message with a password reset link. This can land in your spam or junk folder, so look there too. These links often expire for security, so open it promptly. Only click the link if you're confident the message is from the real Robinhood domain. If the link has expired, simply request a new one from the login page. Follow the link to set a new password. Choose a strong, unique password, something you don't use anywhere else. Ideally, 12 characters or more, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can help you generate and store it securely. Once updated, try logging in again to confirm everything works. If you no longer have access to the email or phone number on your account, start by trying to regain access to that email or phone through your provider's recovery options. If that's not possible, reach out to Robinhood support using the official help center or in-app support channels. Avoid third-party recovery services and never share your password or full security codes with anyone claiming to help. Support may ask you to complete verification steps to confirm your identity. This could include uploading a government-issued ID, providing basic account details, or completing a short verification questionnaire. Take clear, well-lit photos of any documents and ensure your information matches what's on your account to speed things up. Once your identity is verified, support will help you restore access to your account. After you're back in, take a moment to review your security settings, update your email or phone if needed, enable two-factor authentication, and double-check that your contact info is current so future recoveries are easier. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, take your time with verification, and you'll be back in your account securely.